How to join someone on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you how you guys can join someone on Roblox. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up your web browser or you can directly open up the web app for Roblox. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. To join someone on your Roblox, the simplest and the most straightforward way is by searching their name on the search bar. So you can search for the person that you want. So let's say that I want to search John. I'll just search John in people. You'll find the in people option pop up right here. Tap on it. And after you do that, you can open up their profile. So here you can find the person that you want to join. Now, to do that, you'll need to tap on the Add Connections option. So tap on Add Connection, and a request will be sent to that very person. After they accept the request, you guys will be added as connections, and you guys can start playing games together. And that's the most straightforward way you can join someone in Roblox. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye-bye.